Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make gazpacho. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave on the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna place tomato, cucumber, green pepper, onion, garlic clove, white wine vinegar, olive oil, a bit of cooking salt, and I'm gonna leave to rest for 5 minutes. I'm gonna blend and adjust the cooking salt. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!